Welcome to one of my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to install Server 2016. Hi, the server's just set up, and what I'm going to do now is change the name of the server. This will be a domain control. Okay, and what I also need to do before I do restart is change the IP address as well, because there won't be any on it at the moment. That's the gateway to my router. What I'm doing now is going to put in the DNS, because this will be my DNS server when I set that up in a future video. One other thing I need to do as well is click on the remote desktop, and this is very important, otherwise will be able to allow me to remote into the machine. Okay, now I'll restart the server. What I'm going to do next is show you how to set up Active Directory. So I'll see